then Suwelele droppile again. They're on number 15. It looks like they're gonna be facing ama relegation issues. But another thing about Swelele, ngithi mangibheka vele about like ama-players wabo, the most of their mid is ama-players on experience and ama-players who already played for a big club, more big clubs, about most of them who in Poland. And then I think there are 6 players from Kaizer Chiefs, Oboseli, Boban, and also these 2 players available, but Balona Bona from Coast, and then also Mpotsane available. And then there's also like Obo like he has also played for like Sundowns, and this way the way they're just a big team in terms of like a fan base, in terms of a fan base, in terms of what like i-player amadlala vele lizodlala vele under pressure because of like support available mining. It is not like Moyenza my mistake, it won't be noticed. So yeah, I hope they're gonna be doing. They are supposed to move from like that position and go at least the position 10 or 9 available. But bangabi on the bottom 3 of Amant clubs.